The day is finally here. Console quality graphics on a mobile phone. Exynos 2200 is officially here. It brings the brand new Xclipse GPU, which is the world's first mobile GPU to be built on the AMD RDNA 2 architecture. Samsung says that this will start a brand new era. What's up guys, we are back with some back-to-back Galaxy S22 news. The Exynos 2200 is alive and now it's officially here. Samsung has fully announced everything, and I gotta say, it's packing some identical specs as Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Based on the official announcement, the Exynos 2200 is all about GPU and AI performance. Thanks to the RDNA 2 architecture by AMD, the Samsung Xclipse mobile GPU brings hardware-accelerated ray tracing for the first time on a mobile phone, which brings real-life physics, crazy lighting effects, realistic graphics in games, plus more, giving you an ultimate gaming experience. Now, in the official announcement, Samsung barely even talked about the numbers. We don't know how much improvement we have with the Exynos 2200 compared to the last generation. The only thing they mentioned is the NPU or AI performance, which is said to be doubled compared to the Exynos 2100 from the Galaxy S21 series. This is actually in line with what we have reported yesterday. The biggest improvement we have is indeed with the AI. I wish we have seen more with the GPU because it's such a big collaboration, but it is what it is. Now, according to a brand new early AMD GPU benchmark leak, the Galaxy S22 Ultra powered by the Exynos 2200 achieved 109 FPS in the GFX Aztec benchmark test. This is definitely higher than the S21 Ultra, which scored 71 FPS, but it's not on the same level as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or even the Snapdragon 888. Again, this is probably done on a test device, so we don't know what the actual final GPU numbers will be, but one thing is certain, Samsung definitely had to downclock their AMD GPU a lot so that it won't throttle or heat up. We still have to wait for the real-life comparison. Again, it's all about that sustained long-term load. Which chip will be more efficient? That will be the ultimate decider. Now, other than the GPU, the Exynos 2200 is very capable. It's packing all the latest stuff with the CPU, such as the ARM v9 based octa-core Cortex X2 processor built on 4nm architecture, which means it's gonna be efficient compared to last generation. One of the key areas where Samsung had to bring the best with the Exynos 2200 is with the AI, because this is responsible for basically all the camera improvements on the S22 Ultra. I'm happy to report that the Exynos 2200's ISP will support all the crazy camera and video levels. So we're talking videos up to 8K at 30 frames per second, all the latest encoder and decoders. The camera ISP supports up to 200 megapixel image output and up to 30 frames of 108 megapixel image per second in single camera mode. It really has all the muscles to handle that 108 megapixel image sensor of the Galaxy S22 Ultra comfortably. All in all, regardless of all the uncertainty, the Exynos 2200 is still official. It's coming to South Korea, UK and European versions of the S22 series. The Xclipse GPU with Radeon technology is born, and I can't wait to see how it will perform inside the S22 Ultra officially. Also in the news, on top of bringing the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the S22 series, Samsung will also implement a brand new updated aluminum frame, which is said to be their toughest yet, with enhanced durability compared to last year's Galaxy S21 series. And last but not the least, we have some more official Samsung-made Galaxy S22 Ultra press renders. These will be the official 4 colors at the time of the launch. Maybe in the future Samsung might add more colors to the table, but right now this is the variety we have, and I gotta say, it's pretty good. That's all for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding the Exynos 2200 and the brand new Xclipse GPU. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.